Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful day. As most of you are aware, I am in South Florida, therefore there is no fall, but I'm really trying to get the fall vibes to come in with this cozy light sweater that I picked up from the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. So don't get confused, it really still is 80 some degrees here in South Florida. I am just hoping that this will help the cool winds come over. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, I hope you go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and also click that bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, thanks for joining, and let's go ahead and get right in. So this video is going to be a little bit different because this is future me right now, and I'm going to be inserting a clip of some video that I took a few months ago because I want to show you and I wanted to give you a full picture of how my experience with Louis Vuitton and a repair item went. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to before me and then we'll come back. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you something that I discovered while I was filming my handbag collection part 1, vintage bags. I talked to you about this beautiful bucket bag and how much I love it and that I have used it, and while I was checking it out after the video, I found that this right here had come off. See that? So it has come off right here on the canvas. The canvas does not appear to be ripped or anything else. It appears that whatever they put in here to hold this has basically come off. The other ones are in perfect shape. However, and the reason I'm really wanting to show this to you is because this is the only pre-owned bag that I have purchased from an individual and not had it authenticated. I did get a receipt which showed that it had been repaired at one of the Texas Louis Vuitton locations, but I haven't had it authenticated. So I am going to take it into the store today and I'm going to ask, you know, about this repair. I'm going to take in the receipt that I have and I'm going to let you know what happens. But I wanted to go ahead and quickly just film this so that you can see. And so I am, you know, very hopeful that this is an authentic bag. I really don't have any reason to believe that it isn't, like I said, but we're going to find out and I will let you know. All right, so now you've got the backstory. Let me go and show you what happened. I did get my bag repaired and she came back to me in this huge dust bag, which makes me very happy because I love huge dust bags. Here she is. She was repaired without any issues. I must tell you, I went in to the store and they do know me at that store, and I explained to them that I had actually purchased this from someone else and I had a receipt of the repair. As you can see, the vachetta up here is lighter than the vachetta on the straps, and I just told them that I wanted to make sure and verify that indeed this bag was authentic because I wanted to get it repaired. And so he went and took the receipt, checked the history, and was able to find that indeed on a particular date, just like the receipt showed, the bag had been repaired. So that gave me peace of mind. At least I wasn't going to be totally embarrassed. And it also reminded me how lucky I was to have actually purchased an authentic item even though I didn't get it authenticated. And that is not usually how I operate. Anytime that I purchase a pre-loved item, I go ahead and get it authenticated, except if I buy it, for example, from Fashion File, then I won't really get it authenticated because I trust that they have done their due diligence, and that's part of the price that I am paying. But should I buy from an individual seller, then I really do get everything authenticated. Okay, great. Back to the bag. So they did repair the bag, and once he looked up everything on the system, and once he confirmed it, he said, okay, great. We can go ahead and get it repaired. I'm not sure how much it's gonna be. And I'm like, that's okay. And then I said, well, this bag originally came with a pouch. I said, however, I did not receive the pouch when I purchased it because, of course, it was pre-loved and she didn't have the pouch. So I asked him if the pouch was available to get purchased, and he said yes, and he ordered me the pouch. And guess what? I not only got it repaired, but I got a brand new pouch with the bag. I did have to pay for the pouch. It was $300, and this one is made in France. And definitely worth every penny. I'm excited because I love to have complete sets of everything. And even though I have a decent size mini pochette collection, and I also have the accessoire, I wanted to get the pouch that came with this bag. So it was a win-win. I did get it, and they repaired the bag. I cannot even tell which side this was on, but they took care of it. So the whole thing was a success, and I am very, very excited because this is a bag that I love to use. It's so comfortable. You just throw things in there, and boy, can you fit a lot. Let me give you a quick comparison of the pouch size versus the LV accessoire and the LV mini pochette. Okay, here is the pochette accessoire, and here is the pouch that comes with the vintage bucket bag. And as you can see, the accessoire is bigger. That's the difference. And in comparison to a mini pochette, this is the comparison. So the one that came with the bucket bag is larger. And there you have the differences. But I am super excited. Oh, the other thing I'll mention is this has no chain. So the mini pochette comes with the chain. This one comes with a little strap. And this one, of course, comes with nothing because the actual bucket bag comes with the chain attached. That's it, my friends. I just wanted to share this experience with you. I had a wonderful experience. I was able to get my bag fixed, and not only that, I was able to validate that indeed I do have an authentic bag, thank goodness, because they repaired it. Because if it wouldn't have been authentic, they would have just sent it back and not repaired it. But anyhow, just wanted to share with you. I'm very excited, and you can look forward to some pictures and maybe a what's in my bag video, although you're only available to get this one pre-loved, but it is a great bag. Love it. Have a great rest of the day, my friends, and I will see you soon. Bye.